Bless up.
Woo! Ghost! Gang! Family, what is going on with y'all? Y'all boys today. I'm coming back at y'all with another video, you dig what I'm saying? So, like I told y'all, bro, last week or whatever, I made the Bred video or whatnot, you dig what I'm saying? I made the Bred video. I told y'all I had got them on a surprise drop type shit. I got them whenever they did a shock drop on the 14th, on November 14th. And I told y'all the whole story, how I was driving in the whip and goddamn, I just clicked on the link and I just got them. I was waiting in the line for like 10 minutes, like to cop them. And I got them. The pack then came in. I'm gonna be 100 with y'all. The pack then came in. But I just waited to open them because I wanted to open them with my niggas, bro. You know I gotta open them with the gang. I can't open them without y'all. You feel me? So I was waiting until I had got a day off. I was waiting on my day off to open up the pack. The pack is in though. You dig what I'm saying? The pack is in. We right here though. We right here with it. I ain't gonna cap though, bro. Shit, hey, bro, don't mind this, man. You know, I went to Halloween screen this shit. I went to Halloween Horror Nights too. I don't got that. Hey, yes sir. Gotta have the Chick-fil-A now. But anyway, bro, pack in, right? You know, just do it type shit. You dig what I'm saying? We got the hookah, we got snacks. Don't worry about that. But yeah, the pack came in a few days ago. I think it came in on Wednesday. And I hate when they do this, but my apartment is weird, right? So it's like, whenever the UPS nigga come, these niggas leave the fucking pack like on my door, like at my door, because we don't have like a big package box. Like I don't have a mailbox where in my apartment where you could put big packages in. You know what I'm saying? Where if a UPS coming and the package too big to, you know, for the mailbox, they got like a bigger mailbox. They'll probably leave a key, and then go in and then get the pack out. Like shit, I don't have that here. So they gotta leave it on your doorstep, like it's a house. Like, you know what I mean? So a nigga could really just walk by and just, oh, I need those big dog, thank you. And then what makes it so bad, they put fucking Nike tape on it. They put Nike tape on the box, bro. Like, you get what I'm saying? Anyway, besides the point, like I said, I just wanted to open this pack up with my young nigga, so that's what I'm gonna do, bro. Oh, y'all know what's in the box, like I said, man, it's a Nike Bred, I said Nike Bred, all right. Air Jordan 11 Bred, sporting Bred 11s, 11 Bred, kitty chit, bang bang. Hell, I don't know what y'all want to talk about, but get into this pack opening, man. Hold on, let me put this shit on the little laptop. I got this bit around for y'all boys, man, for the coach, you feel what I'm saying? Damn, but I'm still doing this shit with one hand, but I got a tripod, but I lost the clip to screw into the camera, bro. You know what I mean? God damn it. Hold on, bro. I should get a knife, huh? You know what? I got y'all right here, fool. I got y'all right here, bro. Shit, hold on. All right, here we go. Chill, bro, chill. Come on, man. Unboxing for the coach. This the real way, nigga. Fuck tripod. This shit more raw and authentic. All that setup shit. It did. Hold on. I got y'all. Don't worry about it. But look, I got y'all, my guy. Oh, fuck, man. Hold on. Ah, yes sir. OG. That's what they calling these, the OG blow G. Come on, man. Come on, man. Hey, Nike haven't been sending me my receipt with these shit. Hey, hold on. Hey, hold on, Nike. Hold on, bro. This is the second pack I got in. I ain't getting no receipt for it. What's going on, Nike? Hey, but anyways, throw this shit to the side. Put this shit on here. Little box. Ah. Here we go. Moment of truth, my man. We already know what time it is, man. We already know what these is for real, but you know, it's just the hype. I'm going to get y'all right though. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go ahead and y'all little niggas that be, oh, you got fake shoes. You got fake shoes. Go ahead and screenshot that, man. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, man, we don't do fugazis over here. It's all authentic. Box fire, like always. You get what I'm saying? It's all OG. All OG shit. You get? I love OG, man. Nike. Flipping. Oh, this shit, alright. I feel play, bro. But hey, man, look, they give you a little card though, bro. You know, I wanted a little plastic joint over. You know how they, you know what I'm talking about. You know how they do. But okay, so they give you this, man. They give you a little card. Man, y'all go ahead and screenshot that. You know, read it. However you want to do it. Say League MVP, All-Star MVP. This is an instant classic. Will leave you saying, it's gotta be the shoes, bro. It gotta be the shoes. It just gotta be one of the most iconic Jordan silhouettes. Like I've been trying to tell y'all niggas, bro. You do what I'm saying? It's Bred 11s, man. You can't go wrong with the Bred 11s, bro. Like the Bred 11s, bro. Like, it'll be 100. Oh, hold on. Yes, sir. Hold on, man. My shit got a little. Hold on, now. Hold on, Nike. What's going on? No. Hold on. Gotta do the smell test, bro. You got to. Ooh, yes, sir. That's it right there, big dog. Yeah, man. We already know what time it is with these, man. Ain't too much to review on these, man. Ain't shit else in this damn box. I'm 100 with y'all. Ain't shit up in a weak out box, man. What that is, I don't know. You know, got a little stuff inside, some bullshit. You know, all the authenticities, all that shit, you know, just for the people that, you know, wondering if they're getting fakes or whatnot. That's how you can tell, my guy. So, Bing, how y'all feel about these? I don't know, why am I asking how y'all feel about these? Everybody, you know, I don't know, I guess I could ask, is the Jordan 11 Bred your favorite 11 out of all of them? My personal favorite, actually, bro, my favorite probably would have to be the Gamma, bro. Gamma Blue 11s, bro. That's not even an OG colorway. It's a colorway they came out with one year in 2014, and I got them since I was on footlocker.com spamming to get them Gamma 11s, bro. That's probably like my favorite Jordan 11 of all time. But these, can't go wrong with the OGs, my guy. Can't go wrong with it. You know, you got your Nike on the inside. Damn, I don't got no light in this bitch, fool. Damn, my bad, y'all. This is a rough ass. Man, this is a raw, bro. This is a raw. Just take my word for it. Nike Air on the inside. It's a red insert. You know, I'm gonna probably put a B-roll anyway, man. Y'all ain't gotta worry about shit, to be honest, man. Y'all already know what time it is. You got your carbon fiber. On the bottom, red bottoms. You dig what I'm saying? My red bottoms is redder because they newer. Oh, you got your 23 going across, rope laces. Clean, man. Just a clean ass shoe, bro. I got these early, man. I got these a month early, bro. And, you know, I'm happy y'all got them. Let me know if y'all guys got these or you already been had like the OGs or whatnot. Y'all been had these. You ain't really worried about them, about getting them this year. But these do release on December 14th. That's the actual release date on them. I just happened to get them a whole month early, feel me? On some fluke. But, hey man, all in all, bro, so, I mean, you can't go wrong with it, bro. I mean, I understand why people would pass them if you already got them. If I already had like the DMP pack or the shit that came out in recent years, I wouldn't have got these. Like, I'm gonna be 100. Like, there's no point. It's the same shit. I just never had them, so I got them type shit. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's really all about. If you ain't got them, bro, if you ain't never had them, bro, why not go out and get them? That's how I feel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You deal what I'm saying? Smash that like button. If y'all want the on foot, man, let's aim for 20 likes. I'm doing this shit for the culture, strictly for the culture. Doing this for the youth. You dig? It is the one and only MajorKixx.
Hate and say we changing, look, we made it.